If you can draw this basic shapes, then you can draw this cute coffee cup. I created this Dumbledore-approved project sheet to guide you through all the steps you need. Let me explain. Doodles are just simple shapes. It might not seem that way, but it's true. There are a few basic shapes: circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. Of course, there are also variations like ellipse or semicircle. Now that you get the basic idea, it's time to learn how to see it in the drawings. Ice cream, for example, can be easily divided into circle and a triangle. I'm going to draw a semicircle, like half of a circle without closing the bottom, and a triangle without one side. After that, I can leave a little space for details like ice cream melting drops or sprinkles. Now let's talk about shadows, or how I like to call it, where is my sun? When our coffee cup doesn't have any sun or a light source, there will be no shadows, so the colors will be even on each side and flat. But if we add our little sun to shine on our coffee cup, then we can see that our coffee cup will be half in shadows. This is the part where you can play with the intensity of the shadows and, of course, the colors at the end. Let's recap everything we've seen. Our coffee cup is made of basic shapes. When simplified, it can be constructed from 4 or 5 rectangles. Simple, isn't it? So, take your pen out, make a couple of rectangles, add some lines, some details, make a great shadow with colors, and have fun. You done it. If you like it, follow for more.